Hello, in this video I will present my solution on how to implement a chat feature and to instantiate an object through the server and client side. So let's have a look at what we have after implementing the solution. So I start the server here and connect through it. As you can see, there's a dialog chat, and if I type something here and send it, it will be received through the other side. In this case it is the client side, and when I send it from the client side it appears here also. And another thing is that when I create a ship, it appears in the screen of the client, and it also appears in the scene of the server, and only the server can control it. And also from here on create a ship, when I control it, it appears here. When I disconnect, the shape from the client is deleted, and that's it. Now let's have a look at the code. First, before looking at the code, I will add a network view into the network GUI. As you can see here, I already added. It will enable the image of the objects created between multiple computers. So after having the network view components here, we come to the script. I guess it takes a little bit more time. My computer is tired today. Okay, firstly, the chat features. The main idea is that the chat dialog will display when there is connection between the client and the server, or when the server starts. So there is a bool called connected to check whether it has connection, and it is set by false by default. And also when disconnected from server, the connection is false. So what happens when there is connection? There is a rectangular dialog or chat rect happen, and with the ID 2 and the functions chat controls. Here we can see what the function chat controls is. Yes, it is a chat control. Normally it opens an area with a text field and with a button send. When the button is clicked, a network RPC is called to display the chat function, which is simply to list the message, and the mode is to all other computers, including our computer, my computer, to see the chat message. And the tag RPC here before the function indicates that this function called up and it is sent through the internet and is received by all of the computers. So that is a chat function, chat feature. And now we come to the second part, is to initiate a ship through the client and server side. I think the basic stuff is to make the create ship button function. So there is a network instantiate. It will automatically instantiate an object with the position and the rotation of the new coming object. And then based on the network view, the image of the new created object will be transferred throughout the computers in the network, and then it adds the image of the new coming ships to every other computers. And after creating a ship, we need to remove it when the player disconnects from the server or when the server closed. So the functions is on player disconnected, and it can be found on the Unity3D reference. And what it does is to remove the RPC with network, remove RPC, and to remove the players, the object, to look for every single object and delete it manually. And also we need to delete the object when there is no connection from the server. And it is the same like having a loop to look for and delete every single one. And the methods, the functions to delete all the network objects is network destroy player objects. So I think that's all for this week. Thank you, and see you next time.